G'day, I'm Grant from Motion. With me today is Derek from Gates. G'day, Derek.
G'day, Grant. Great to be here.
I can see we've got the Gates MXG 4K hose here. What makes this hose so very good?
Well, it's really exciting, Grant. It's our new MXG 4K hose, which incorporates our traditional 4K spiral hose, but now with the new X-spiral construction.
So that X-spiral sounds fantastic. What does it mean to me as the end user?
Well, what it does is it gives you a 30% weight saving, so it's a lot lighter than traditional R12 hose, and 40% easier force to bend. So if you see me playing with the hose here, you can see how much easier it is on bending it. You can't do this with the standard.
Yeah, so imagine for the end user, that's a fantastic advantage there. You've got that weight advantage and that flexibility. We've got a lower cost, I suppose, in terms of shipping and some reduction in weight on the equipment, which is always very, very important because we get a reduction in fuel consumption.
Yeah, absolutely. All those things, plus also the person at the end of who's actually working with the hose. So it's a lot lighter, obviously, for them to carry it around. And for those people who are having to do a lot of plumb ups during the day, just think of the saving on the end of their arms at the end of the day.
And what other special features am I going to see with this particular hose?
Well, it also comes standard with our new XTP cover.
So what am I getting then? It sounds fantastic.
Well, it's our XtraTuff cover,
Yep.
which is our 25 times harder wearing cover. The plus being with the extra ozone protection.
Excellent. And what about the pulse cycles?
Well, it's 1 million impulse cycles, so that's well above the standard, which is 600,000.
Thanks very much, Derek. So if you'd like to know more about the MXG 4K, reach out to your nearest Motion branch.